Here's how you can create an assignment that's already saved in your Google Drive and that is also one you want to share with students and make sure that they can edit without altering your original. So what you would do is you'd go up here to create, go to assignment, and then you would upload something. So Google Drive. All right, here's a template on a Julius Caesar pre-reading assignment that I gave my students. So I would click that, add that, and then it's right here. Students can view file. Well, that would just mean they'd be looking at it like it's an impenetrable force. Students can edit the file, means they will literally alter your template. So what you want is make a copy for each student. Yes, if you have 30 students, then that also means 30 new copies with their names on it will appear in your Google Drive, but your original template is safe. Obviously, you can't do anything until you title it, so JCPR. Blah, blah. And then you would click Assign. Now, I've already actually done this for you. It's right here, so it's obviously going to tell me that my student hasn't done it yet. And now if I go into the student view, and I go to the class, here's the stream, and if I go to classwork, there's the assignment, and I could open it, view assignment, and now it says, according to the student, that my name is Samantha Gable, I'm the student, and the document already has my name on it, so I can open that, and then when it opens, I can type on it without fear of ruining the teacher's version. And my teacher version is completely safe without that gibberish. Okay. But then once you're finished, you get out of it, and the student would then click Turn In. Now, in theory, if you didn't do this make a copy for everyone, then they would have to add or create and upload something and then turn it in. So the creating their own version will save the time so that essentially they don't have to worry about doing it, or you don't have to worry about them putting it in the wrong format. But it is now, this one is theirs to do with what they will, and who knows how it'll turn out until you get it back on the due date day. But now let's say I turn it in. Okay, there we go. And then I go back into teacher mode, and oh look, I've turned it in, and I can open it. And now as a teacher, I can open it here, see it, and it's going to have my gibberish scribbles right here that I'm going to say that's an F because that's not even a word. But that is how to share a copy for each student so that you can create as many documents as you want that are templates without fear of students altering it for you. Hope that helped.